So for me, the most exciting part of the production process is that part where you start off with an initial idea. It might even just be a bass line and a drum pattern, but it's when the track is at the really early stages and you're dancing around your studio and you're like, this is a vibe, I've never heard anything like this, and you know, this is the best thing I've ever done, and you just can't wait to start building the track around it. Okay, so this is my FaderPro course. What I want to do is take you from start to finish to create a track, and I want to create a track from nothing, so I'm going to start with the drums, bass, keys, vocals, and then take you really all the way through to the point of mastering so that it's ready to send to a label. Lesson that I wish I could kind of teach my younger self is to really give everything its own space. You know, a kick drum should have bass, but also, you know, a bass should occupy the low end, but they can't occupy the same space. And then take that into every single element of the recording. So the vocals need to be in their own space, the keys need to be in their own space. That would be the lesson, and that's the main thing that's kind of made my production come on leaps and bounds as soon as I started applying that. My main thing is I just try and keep stuff simple. I don't want to get caught up in tweaking things too much. I just want to, make, just good music essentially. I will not be using any external plugins at all, and I hope that people will take a lot from that, and the fact that you don't get caught up in trying to tweak a reverb setting for 3 days, or trying to find a specific hi-hat sound, when actually it's more about the music. If you've got a good bass line, a good groove and some good drums and a strong vocal, that's sometimes all you need.